But why he told about the Maya? Because we should know what should be left. The purpose of Maya is not to tell about the Maya, but the purpose of Maya is to tell that this world which we are seeing it is not self-made. Therefore, two kinds of Maya we are told. One is Avidya Maya, other is Vidya Maya. Vidya Maya is mentioned as Ek Rachai Gun Bas Jaake, Jag Gun Bas Jaake, Prabhu Prerit Nahi, Nij Bal Taake. One Vidya Maya is what you call the power which has created the whole world. By knowing the Vidya Maya, Ahankar comes down because creation of the God is much bigger than our creation. Our buddhi, our shakti, our power, our creation is very small, not even worth mentioning. It is not worth mentioning in front of the creation of the Lord, in front of the creation and intellect of the Lord. Mahamaya is there. And he, after using such a powerful creation, still he is free. And we, using our, whatever we create, we are bound. Anybody is bound by his own creation. 2-3 people we have created, and that too we are bound. And God created the whole world and he is not bound. He should have been more bound, but he is absolutely free. This is called Ishwaratva of Ishwar. What will happen if I know about the Maya? I mentioned that we will not be attached, because I was telling yesterday, whatever we see, whatever we hear, and wherever we live, nobody has made anything. When we see the creation of Maya, then of course bhakti comes. And therefore nobody knows what is going to happen next. We can't say this will happen, this won't happen. We can't predict. Who will trump, we can't predict. You don't know what will happen. Who will be very good to you in future. First time you meet someone, you feel this person is horrible. That person becomes the best person of your life. Sometimes you meet someone, you feel this person is so good, he becomes the worst. You just don't know who will be used for me for what fruit. Bhagwan's Maya has tremendous inexplicability from our behalf. We don't know where the table space will turn, what Bhagwan is going to make and unmake. We just don't know. We have not many things, I will not say all the things, but most of the things which happens are sometimes we had never imagined also. Many things regarding our life, family life, even spiritual life. One thing should be clear, that our doership is not very powerful, because what we wanted does not happen in spite of our effort. So by knowing Vidya Maya, Sharanagati definitely comes. The mind tries to melt down and feels that, okay, if this conviction is, if supposing, okay, Lord what wants He will do, of course then I should not be very, very insistent. Our experiences tell us that give space to God. Let us not be too insistent on what should happen and what should not happen. One should not be very headstrong. He should be strong but not headstrong. Because you just don't know which turn, who will take and what will happen. This world is very typical to understand and predict also. Sometimes situations you live, people change, we don't understand how come person has changed. How can this person be so good or not so good? So by understanding Vidya Maya, we understand that there is some power which we can make anything. Vidya Maya. And after this, the element of prayer enters our life, because I know that by me alone these things won't be able to manifest and happen. By me alone everything does not happen. There are a lot of mysterious powers hidden. One boy was 4-year-old boy, and he was from ordinary city, and all TV channels brought him on their show, and you could ask any question of geography. Some people I showed also. Remember? Any question of geography. Even most of the questions what they were asking to him, I also didn't know. Where is the Mediterranean Ocean and Indian Ocean? All this pata nahi kya question tha. Tropic of Cancer, which countries fall in the Tropic of Cancer? I only heard cancer. My geography was not that great. But you could answer any question, still he may be there in the website. Very difficult to say what turn the situation will. What will happen tomorrow in your life, which news you will get, is difficult to say. I am expecting good news. But we just don't know. Many are little unpleasant surprises. When we understand this aspect, see, when I come here, I also don't know that what I will speak. Only I know the text. Sometimes what I think I'll speak, that word doesn't come out at all. And many times you will plan a day in some manner and something else will be there in the whole day. Some people whom you have never expected, they will call you, they will meet you. Some people you were expecting, they will be very good, but they have turned off totally. So this way the things change here, and because our fruits of action are so complex, our actions are so complex, therefore fruits are also complex. Simple fruit have simple action, but our karma itself is very complex. I invited someone for dinner. Satnarayan Puja was there. So I invited Panditji for dinner. I'm just giving example. So I thought, let us invite 11 Panditjis for Satnarayan Puja. All will do separately. I won't hear to anybody. But I will invite it. So I thought, let me feed them 11 Pandit. I went to the market to purchase vegetable and wheat and atta and all these. So there he asked, which category atta? Bole, middle or lower little you can make it. I had to prepare vegetable. The last night vegetable only I put some masala into it. Some people are very good in all these. Put some masala, etc. Boiled it one, stirred it, and I offered it. And in between I tasted also. Some people in between they taste also. That has been served to Pandits now on the top of it. You see the complexity of the fruit. It is good action that I have called him, but because I did not give as per my capacity. If I had this much of money, This much of money and I purchase this quality thing, it is okay. But I had this much of money, I purchased this quality thing, so fruit won't be bigger. And therefore the situations change because our actions are complex, our intentions are complex. I praise someone, but in my mind I have something else because I am praising because he should feel good, that's it. Not that I mean it. He should feel good. Not that I have any heart. I praised you, but inside I was not thinking good about you. You are seeing the complexity. Our actions are like a snake. And therefore when the fruits of action come, they are also like snake. This is all Mayik Purush. Fruits of action also typical. Because my actions are like that. And all falls in Maya, that one should understand that it is not in Maya. An operator of that Maya is the Ishwar. One more thing is there in the Vidya Maya, which is very good aspect, that Prabhu Prerit Jahi Nahi Nij Bal Jake. This Vidya Maya alone is the one which takes you to the God. Prabhu Prerit. Manthara was the one who disturbed Kekai and poisoned Kekai. And because of that, Kekai had Ahankar and Mamta and all these things. Tell me, Naradji also was that. Naradji also got Ahankar. And Kekai also got Ahankar. What difference both had? What difference both had? When Naradji, Kekai had Ahankar, she banished Ramji. When Naradji had Ahankar, he went to Vishnuji. And he went to Vishnuji, and there going he tells, even to tell about his praise he went. And therefore all the steps of fall Vishnuji, Naradji had, but still last fall he didn't have. On the other hand, Kekai had a bigger fall than Kekai's end. She still couldn't believe that Bharatji is not talking to me. But at least Naradji had cursed ultimately and he got relieved by Shivji's grace. Sadhana also is dictated by this Vidya Maya. Unless Sita ji is happy, Ramji won't be happy. Unless Radha ji is happy, Krishna ji won't be happy. Shakti alone brings the Shaktiman. So this is the power of the Vidya Maya. What it does, creates the world. Creates a very unpredictable situations around. Very big thing can be created. Amazing things can be created. Personally for individual seeker, that Vidya Maya alone brings the Guru, alone brings the sadhana. Alone prompts something. So don't think Maya is only bad. Vidya Maya alone has brought us here also. It's not that we came all of a sudden. You read in Bhagavad, there are Sapt Rishi, they organize where dharma should be there, where satsang should be there, where saints should be there. Spirituality also has quite a big root. It's not that randomly anybody can go to any place and anybody gets Guru. It's not a random process. This was Vidya Maya. ऐसा है. It creates a relationship with the God. Somehow it tries that a jeev should not be caught up all the time. Therefore with every karma phal there is some kripa. Howsoever bad fruit of action may be, ultimately it will turn out to be sweet. But it is right now very bitter. And I don't know, it's at the end you will find it is sweeter. It will be sweeter. Tell me any experience of your life of the past. Howsoever bad it was, is it not it made you more matured? Is it not that it took you more closer to God? No karma phal, I always say, is without kripa phal. Howsoever big pain may be, but that pain has some grace hidden. More we see that grace, more pain is tolerable. See only the pain, the grace is, that pain is not tolerable. May I feel what God has done to me. And some people go to it, bole, what did I do wrong to God? Bhagwan ka humne kya bigada? I said, even if you want, you can't do wrong. Hey, you can do wrong of someone who is weaker than you. बोले भगवान आए तो हम बताएं उनको सामने. इतना गुस्सा आ रहा है हमें. I am getting so angry. Vidya Maya tries to pull the jeev towards Ishwar. Karma phal is interlaced with some kind of maturity in it. Howsoever a person may be a loser, but I feel he gains somewhere. Biggest loser is a gainer. He gains. He doesn't appreciate that he is gaining, that is another point. What he gains, he throws that experience. That is his problem. After losing, I threw the experience that I have. That is my problem. You gave me some medicine and I threw away it. That is my problem. God gave experiences. You did not use, I did not use. God gave experiences. See, if you are too attached, you will suffer. I did not use that. God gave experience that, see, if you get too angry, you will lose your hours. I did not understand. ऐसा तो नहीं कि you only got bad fruit. God gave experiences that when you depend on God, things happen better. There is nothing too big issue there. So this system tries to pull towards the Lord. Situation is not for situation. Situation has some pulling power towards the Lord. Okay, we take 10 days, 10 years, 20 years, 1 month, 1 birth. But situation is to take us more closer to Lord. Even when you have pains, etc., you remember only Bhagwan. Therefore in Hindi they say, Hai Ram. Hai Ram. In Hindi, they say, when somebody is ill, जानते क्या बोलते हैं? बिराम हो गए. बिराम हो गए. बिना राम के हो गए. And in English also, they had a better expression. बोले, oh my God. For everything, then my also come. Police is, oh my God. I think everybody must be using this expression. Anywhere you are there, and in the dead of the night, your car is stopped. First word, oh my God. While you are watching cricket, and you saw one after another wicket, is, oh my God. I also use the way everybody. You are eating food and whole dal has fallen on your pan. Oh my God. इतना पॉपुलर हो गया ये. They say OMG. भगवान आपको बुला रहे हैं. हाजिर हो।